So here we are on the final day, 4 days in, 1 day to go. We've got a nice sunny ride for about 100 miles today, hopefully problem free.
Yeah, all the way down to Thorpe, through the Chilterns, a little bit of up and down, but fantastic dry weather. So we'll be in touch on the way down, I guess.
Yep, hopefully, and
we'll see you down in Thorpe.
It's nearly over, Stuart.
Yeah, okay. See you later. We're up on the top now, so a bit better view. What would you say has been the nicest part of the country out of the cycling?
The part that I enjoyed the most was when we left Mile and headed along Hadrian's Wall, Hexham. We were on the old Roman military road. You could see from miles.
Yeah.
Very, very up and down.
That's quite hard work at the end of the day, wasn't it?
Very hard work, but the scenery, the views, and just the sense of brilliant. How about you, Stuart? I like to see cycling.
I actually rolled into North Staffordshire yesterday, you know, we had that bit of tailwind, we had beautiful lanes. James was with us, we kept up a great speed.
It's good to have a set of fresh legs.
Yeah, good fresh legs. It was great. Here comes the car. So Princess Risborough just had a little stop just to
recharge the batteries.
Feeling a bit tired now.
Legs are starting to hurt a lot. Struggled the last 20 miles. We've been cycling into a headwind with a few hills.
Yeah.
Not a lot left in either of us.
Anyway, hopefully that will charge us up a bit. We've got about 35-40 miles to go. Some big hills coming up. So next stop, Slough, and then hopefully into Thorpe by about 4:45.
That's the plan.
Okay, cheers.
Bye bye.